Okay, so in this video we'll learn about a very interesting topic which is called list of lists. Okay, so lists in Python. Now list of list is a data structure, okay, that basically store the collection of lists in a specific order. Okay, so let's see one example. Here we'll see one example. Let's say I have a matrix equals to okay. So this is my list of lists. So you see, list is basically we start with this square brackets, right? So but it has elements. Now the elements are normal, not normal elements. They are the list itself, and this list basically is called nested list. This is called nested list. Okay, so list inside the outer list is called nested list. Now the elements of nested lists, elements can be of any data, any data type basically. So this can be, elements can be of any type, however it is within the outer list, so it's called a nested list. And the elements of list of list here, right? So it is not just a normal element, it is a list itself. That's called list of a list. Okay, so how and where we can use that? So basically it can be so this kind of a setting can be used to represent, we can represent what we can represent two-dimensional array, 2D arrays, okay, 2D arrays, or tables of a data, tables of data, right, where each nested row, where each nested list represents a list. So let's say I have a table, something of this, so this list is a row and that is a column. So this is a table, right? So we can represent that way. So so that is all about the theory part of the list of list. We'll see that now list of list in action. See you in another video.